Okay, good evening sila po. Welcome po po sa ating laro pong yon. DFA or Doha, DFL Doha Friendly League presents the Titos and Titas League po ngayon. For the teams of course, Qatar CAS po yan. Multicolor pa lang po sila, wala pa silang proper uniform po, pero balang araw magkakaroon po sila. And also, ang ano po, story so far, yung Boleros po is said na hindi po sila pupunta, kaya ang defaulting time po ngayon po is ongoing already. Okay, before that po, ito muna po tayo. Word from our sponsors. Okay. Okay. Ito po ang Doha Friendly League, dubbed as Titos and Titas League po yan. We'd like to thank the following sponsors. Of course, Thread the Needles and Team LBC, hari ng padala. And maging po ang SPB Pilipinas, SPB Doha, and also PSBQ Basketball League. And first game po supposed to be is CAS versus Boleros, followed by, of course, In-Flights and Doha Ignite. But story so far po, I think Boleros already called, they will go for a default already. Kaya the defaulting time now is on the way. We have only 9 minutes and 29 seconds remaining para po sa defaulting time. Afterwards, we will now declare CAS. 40s po ng CAS po yan as winners. Yan. Okay, antayin lang po tayo. We have only 9 minutes to go to declare CAS as winners. Tambay lang po tayo dyan. Maraming salamat po. Okay. Tayo po tayo dyan. As of now, ang Boleros po, we're just waiting, but they declared already na wala na po sila. Hindi na po sisipot po. Kaya, mangyari, first win now will go now to, of course, ang team ni Roldan, ang CAS. Meron. Tayo po tayo, Sir Isa. Tayo po tayo. We'll just declare. We have to declare now CAS po as winner po. Maraming salamat po. Standby lang po tayo dyan. Hindi ba kayo magpapano, Sir? Bakit kayo magpapakatuwaan? May point shoot out. Okay. Calling all next game, next play po natin. Tinatawagan na po natin po ang susunod po, In-Flights. Okay, in-flights and Do Ignite po, please come to the venue na as soon as possible dahil si default na po ang Boleros. Okay, at 5 minutes na lang. Wala pa rin po sumisipa po dito. Magandaan na lang po kayo. Punta po kayo dito. Mapapaaga po. On time po ang yung laro. Okay? Again, in flights and Do Ignite teams po. Punta na po kayo dito. I repeat, punta na po kayo dito. First game po ready. It's already been ended. Mapapaaga po. On time po ang yung laro po. Maraming salamat po. Okay. After this po, of course, siyempre, ang Mechanicos at ang Airport United. Ito po ang ang liga ng mga titos and titas. Ang liga ng mga titos at titas, ito ang, of course, Doha Friendly League. Maraming salamat po. And again, I repeat po muli calling in flights and Do Ignite po. Punta na po kayo dito dahil mapapaaga po ang yung laro. On time po kayo magsisimula ngayon. Maraming salamat po. Okay, 4 minutes 32 seconds remaining. Four minutes 30 seconds remaining. Sir Owens, good evening po. Sir Owens, shout out po kay Sir Isa ng CAS. Biyembe po yun ng champion team po ng CAS. Shout out po kay Sir Isa. Champion team ng CAS yan. Again, I repeat po in flights and Do Ignite teams, please come to the venue right now because you will start on time. I repeat, you will start on time. Maraming salamat po. In flights and Do Ignite, please. You will start on time. Dahil kasi nag-default po ang Boleros kasi sa first game po. Thank you very much. Coach Philip, yung in-flights nyo, ito yung nakita ko, yung championship ko, ano, ito yun, no, di ba? Sabi mo. Malaki mong kal.
Malaki mong kal ba?
Mga simula.
Mga 40 above, sir.
Kayo yung, ano, yung champion, no? Di ba kayong champion mo? Defending champion? Defending champion? Ilang season na ba to? Second, third?
Hindi, marami na kami Doha Friendly League. Pag-shop na tayo. Pero dito sa Northeast,
Pangalawa. Second season, Titos and Titas. Titos Liga. Okay. Yun. Okay, maraming salamat po. Okay po. Okay. This is your Doha Friendly League. Second season po tayo ng The Titos League. Ito po yung 40 above po ng paliga po ng Doha Friendly League. Maraming salamat po. And again, I repeat po, 2 minutes and 31 seconds remaining before the defaulting time will end. CAS is looking to pick up its first win via default ng kalaban. And again, I repeat po muli po, calling in flights and of course, ang Do Ignite, please come to the venue right now dahil kasi tapos na po ang first game. You will start on time. I repeat, you will start on time. Maraming salamat po. Okay, Eric Graham is watching. Maverick Valdez is watching. Eric Graham is watching. Maverick Valdez is watching. Okay. Ito po. Tayo po tayo. Sir Ian, if you're watching right now, tapos na po first game. Hindi busy daw yung Boleros. Boleros, busy po, kaya di siya daw makakapunta. 50 seconds remaining. Panalo po sir ang ano, Cass. After 30 seconds, we will not declare Cass to be the winner. $20 seconds remaining. Goal. 3 seconds. And dang dang. Winner by default is, of course, the Red Boys or the Multicolor Boys. Yan po ang Team Cass. Okay. Winner by default, Team Cass. Okay. Wala pa silang uniform kasi pero sari-sari pa lang yan. Okay, Team Cass awarded kagad 20 points by default. Okay, sir, welcome muli sir. Sir. Okay. Yun yan, pero hindi. Maganda rin yan. Okay.
Compress pa ng konti.
Pakibalance po. Yung isa dito na lang.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yan ha. Okay, Cass winning by default.
1, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Okay, Cass winner by default. Okay.
Pero papayin.
Sinong papa-interview? Sige, sino? Okay, number 18. Siya daw ang siya po ang 18. Yan, number 18. Okay. Okay. Oh, syempre, sisikat kang sa akin. Dito ka. Sisikat kang isa. Oh, syempre, bakit? Syempre, interview kita. Dito. Ikaw napili. Ikaw iaalis sa akin ngayon. Ilang dito. Okay. Okay, Sir Santibanez. Tama po. Okay. Good day po sir. And congratulations for winning by default. Sir, ito mo kung nagkataon, naglaro kayo, anong balak mong dapat gawin po sa laro ito?
Ano sir?
Kung naglaro kayo, anong balak mong gawin dapat?
Wala nang dapat.
Hindi, kung natuloy laro nyo, ano yung inasa nyo sana sa ano?
Nagawin mo namin. Nung best player namin sa pool namin lagi.
Okay.
Shout out.
Okay, shoutout po sir. Sige po.
Duran, shout out. Nanalo kami. Default. Thank you.
Di pa tapos.
Interview pa.
Di pa tapos yan, 2 minutes to.
Alam mo sir.
By default. Okay, yan. Oh, so ito po siya, yan pang best player of the game by default. Okay. Okay. Naka-live yan bro, naka-live to, hindi yun oh. Okay, ito. Yan, 1 minute na bro. Okay sir, sige po, shoutout po yun sir, pamilya nyo, kasama nyo. Sige po sir, shoutout. Lapit kayo dito. Yan.
Dito sa laro, nanalo pa. Default ka lang. Salamat.
Si Exe, okay ito, last question. Ano maasahan namin sa Cass? 40 sa Cass. In the following games po.
Champion na.
O, champion daw kayo ng Cass. Ayos.
Champion na kami tayo ni. Lahat. Sa Friday, default again. Okay, champion. Thank you.
Sir, maraming salamat. Ito po ang Team Cass. Yan po si Narol Daring Company. Kaway na lang po, sir. Okay, congratulations po for winning the game via default over Boleros. We're going out in 3, 2, 1.